Lagyan natin ng honey. Let's make pancake. Non-stop raining Baguio ha. 250 grams of flour, a little bit of salt, and then creme densada. Oh, parang marami pala to ah. Sige, hatiin natin para hindi siya masyadong matamis. Oops. 2 eggs. Vanilla. Maglalagay din tayo ng powdered milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 pala. White vinegar. Konti lang. Baking powder. Of course, water. Mix na natin. Ay, di ba may ano ako? Para magamit naman natin to dahil hindi pa ako nakakapag-bake. My gosh. How? Taste ko lang kung okay na ba. Perfect. Butter. Ay, nasunog guys, nasunog. Guys, nasunog siya. Kasalanan nyo to eh. At least first pa lang yan. Pag hindi pa ako natuto later on, kasalanan ko na. Pero dahil una pa lang, it's your fault guys. Wow! Ay, at least, hindi sunog yung kabila. Next. Babantayan ko na yan. Ay! Okay pa rin naman. Ito na talaga. Itong pangatlo na to, magiging perfect. I can't stop falling in love with you. Whoop! That's what I'm talking about. Sana! Let's get one, of course. Wow, so cute. Lagyan natin ng honey. Malambot.